Conscious awakening, on the other hand, becomes a choice to increase our awareness. We're always putting ourselves down and putting other people down. We're quite critical, really, and we become very judgmental in our effort to do all of this. It becomes crazy after a while. The whole world seems to be polarized according to what we think or don't think, or what we feel or don't feel. Facebook is this journal that allows you to express yourself. At the same time, you're living a life that may not be real. You could maintain your territory, your habits, things that are familiar to you, or you could explore new habits, new hunting grounds, new things you could want to do, like other people are doing. And that way you get to understand people a little bit more. When I talk about moving off your position, I'm talking about changing your perspectives in any one situation, or seeing things from another person's perspective. Under these circumstances, we are ripe for maybe receiving wake-up calls in the form of trauma and in the form of pain, in which we have an opportunity then to switch from passive to active awareness, from observer mode to participant mode in the life around us. And when we change those perceptions inside of us, things around us start to change automatically by themselves because of our reaction to that reality around us. Our reactions are what we can change. The only losers are the people that don't get into the race. The only losers are the people who don't stand up to be counted. The only losers are the people who don't try to make a difference. Whatever you think about is created on a subatomic level. The idea is to recognize how important your thoughts are. Not only does thinking thoughts generate electrical energy in the brain and body, they also go out into the world and all around us, and they affect people and objects through subtle fields of energy and subtle fields of possibilities. So what happens in manifestation is simply this. You are constantly manifesting, but in a very haphazard, all over the place sort of way. To play the game of life successfully, we must actually train the imaging faculty that we have in a directed fashion. The person with a imaging faculty that is trained, and he's trained to image only good things, brings into his or her life every desire of his or her heart. See, there is a place you are to fill, and no one else can fill that space, only you. Something that you are to do in this life, which no one else can do. And that's why you're here. The mind-body connection, as marvelous as it is complex. And yet, every effort is being made to make it easy to operate. The rules of manifestation are very simple. You are manifesting all the time. Not only your reality, but everything around you. And you're also manifesting what is happening within your body. So you need to improve that relationship that you have with your body.